welcome to Cole Radio. I am Bhavna Joshi, your host, and we are here with an exciting episode for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to improve their English skills. और जैसा कि आप लोग जानते होंगे कि सेंटर फॉर इनोवेटिव स्किल बेस्ड कोर्सेज सब सेंटर ऑफ OLDC सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स प्रोवाइड करता है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में। तो उसी कोर्स के क्रक्स को जानने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर अशोक, who has been associated with CISBC OLDC for about 3 years. So, sir, I welcome you.
Thank you.
Before we begin this, I want to know your experience as a tutor or overall with CISBC and OLDC.
I started my journey at OLDC some 2, maybe 3 years back. I started off doing Cole Radio bulletins, which again was meant for students and as a one-point solution, as dissemination of information, and maybe in future we'll also have study material or informative podcast there by experts which can benefit the ODLs, which is like the open learning learners. So with that in mind, we launched Cole Radio platform, and simultaneously there was also this thrust on understanding the importance of language, especially English, and why skilling people in English language is important. So the academic coordinator, Mr. Dikshant Awasthi, came up with this idea. We sat down, designed a course, got approvals, and we started it off last year.
And I want to know your experience as a tutor when you are giving classes or giving lectures to the students. So how was your experience of that time?
It's an interesting experience. A bunch of kids interested in learning, acquiring and improving themselves. So there are people from diverse backgrounds, like some are either enrolled, last batch people were either from graduation backgrounds, some had already finished their graduation, some were in preparing for civil services, a few working professionals were there. So it was always a little challenging because it's not a typical traditional classroom teaching where you're there trying to take care of the needs of a particular student, let's say a class 10 student or a class 12 student or a graduation student. It's a mix and match where you try and focus on the basic strengths in terms of what a student or a learner should actually be capable of doing once he or she goes out in the real world. So it's basically skilling. We don't teach, we try and skill people, arm them with the language skill set so as to ensure that once they go out, they're able to use language effectively in their respective domains.
सर, आपने बात की कि क्लासेस के टाइम पर ग्रेजुएशन के स्टूडेंट्स भी वहाँ पर होते थे. देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने सिर्फ अभी 12th पास की है, कुछ प्रोफेशनल्स भी होंगे. सो आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस कोर्स.
The basic eligibility is 12th pass, and then there is no upper limit. The only thing we are looking forward to is people or learners, as I call them, having the zeal to learn and improve. That's all I need.
अब जब हम कोर्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा कहा गया कि प्रोफेशनल्स भी हैं, कुछ वर्किंग हैं. तो इस टाइम पे जैसे अगर कोई भी वर्किंग है तो वो बिज़ी होते हैं, उनके पास टाइम नहीं है कि वो ऑफलाइन क्लासेस को अटेंड कर सकें. सो क्या इस कोर्स के
एब्सोल्युटली सो ये जो आपने कहा कि ऑफलाइन है और ऑनलाइन भी होना चाहिए, मतलब आई कुड मेक दैट आउट. सो ऑफ कोर्स the idea that people who are also working might need to improve their communication skills or basic English skills wherein they understand what grammar means and how to use grammar effectively in their writing and day-to-day activities. So we are running this course in 2 modules. One is the classroom module, which is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and we have a dedicated weekend slot, I think 10 to 1, wherein again the same thing that is same thing that is being taught in classroom mode is replicated online, just for the benefit of those people who cannot join the classroom program.
And I also want to know more about the course in the sense उसमें पढ़ाया क्या जाता है, किन चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है.
बेसिक जो thrust है वो grammar के ऊपर है, because grammar, as you know, is the foundation of any language. If you get your grammar wrong, you'll get your language wrong. So basic thrust होता है कि उनको कम से कम लैंग्वेज समझ में आए, तो उसके लिए जो बेसिक होता है वो उनके ग्रामर के ऊपर फोकस होता है, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट है जैसे, उसके बाद टेंसेज हो गए. सो बेसिक ग्रामर का एक ओवरव्यू है. इन एडिशन ऑफ कोर्स टू इम्प्रूव देयर कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्किल्स, there will be there have been movies. आप movies देखिए, you do a film criticism if you want to, you write a movie review if you want to. So basically you watch a movie, you write about it, you make presentations, so a lot of group activities. And last time when I had a classroom batch, I was really lucky to have a lot of people who were poets and like creative people. So I also made sure that on a couple of occasions, people who were interested, I got their literary output and shared it among the classroom, the students there. It was an analysis and translation. So that also makes you use your brain differently. You're not just learning, you're also deploying whatever you have learned to create something tangible. So comprehension के ऊपर focus होता है. Comprehension is the most important thing once you get out in the real world, because unless you can comprehend things, you cannot really come up with whatever is demanded out of you. But for that to happen, you need to be very clear about what the grammars what the grammatical structure should be like, what the rules are, so that you do not make mistakes. And we make it fun. We try and make keep things light, so that learning is fun. Learning is something which you enjoy, so that you can retain it for longer.
So it's interesting, and I think जिन भी learners ने इस क्लास को अटेंड किया होगा, इस कोर्स में इनरोल किया होगा, वो इस बात से बिल्कुल अग्री करते होंगे कि सच में ये जो कोर्स है ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है और काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से पढ़ाया जाता है. एक बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन इफ़ आई वांट टू आस्क यू इज़ लाइक कि देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन पीपल नो इंग्लिश और बोलनी भी आती है, समझ भी आती है, बट दे लैक कॉन्फिडेंस. सो क्या इस कोर्स के थ्रू वो अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड अप कर सकते हैं?
Yes, we have a particular slot wherein you are supposed to make paper presentations. You are supposed to come up to the dais and speak. So वो जो public speaking है या fear of public speaking है, that eventually gets destroyed, so to say, because see, the fear will only go away once you have tried and you've seen tangible improvements in yourself. So that comes with time. So we also give that platform wherein students or learners, they have the option to use the public speaking platform to get to basically overcome their fear of speaking or maybe even learning. Because unless you speak, let's say you know something, you have a certain skill set. What is the use of that skill set if you cannot use it? I mean, that's my question to you.
Like there is no use. Like वो तो इस तरीके से होगा कि आपको चीज़ें आती हैं, आपने उसे सिर्फ एक बंद डब्बे में रखा है, और जब तक आपने वो पिटारा खोला ही नहीं, then no one will see what you have, और ना आप खुद को आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओगे. So that is the thing. Another thing, and I think it would be last one, is like vocab को कैसे अपने improve करें, because कभी भी speaking के टाइम पे it's important कि आपके दिमाग में words आए, because you have some idea in your mind but you are not able to express it because you don't know the vocabulary, the perfect word to express that emotion or kind of feeling. How we can learn vocabulary or improve our vocabulary?
See, you cannot learn vocabulary. You can improve it, you can add to your vocabulary, because vocab is something which gets built up over a period of time. The only way and the most effective way is to keep reading. Like start reading newspapers, read novels, stories, anything, engage with the language. So engagement with the language is important. So whether you're watching a podcast or some Netflix show, or maybe you're into novels, whatever, the point is every day, in your regular day-to-day life activities, I'm pretty sure you come across different words. but there are certain words which really catch your fancy. You're like, wow, that's a nice word. I mean, I better, look it up. So keep a dictionary handy, look up the word, look up the usage, make it your own. Because, cramming it up like you came across a word, you mugged up its meaning, that won't really, you won't really be able to retain it unless you use it in your real life, because usage is important. And once you start using it, you have made it your own.
So we need to record those words kind of in our notebook or some stuff.
Keep a record. I mean, that always helps. But more than that, engage with that word so that you can keep that word recorded in your long-term memory. Because keeping a record would be much like accounting. You have all the things on a note, on a sheet of paper, or maybe in your notebook. But what's the point of having access to all those words, not in your brain? So when you really need it, you can't really retrieve that information.
Okay, so it's more important to store the information in your mind rather
Absolutely.
than in the books.
It's all about how quickly and how effectively you can retrieve information that you have. So let's say I have 20 amazing words. I know they're amazing, but I have all of them written down in my notebook, but I cannot really process that information. I cannot retrieve that information as and when needed. So what's the point? So commit it to long-term memory.
Well said, Mr. Ashok, and I agree with you. And so thank you so much for being with us. And I know जितने भी लोग इस पॉडकास्ट को देख रहे हैं, उन्हें कोर्स की इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गई होगी कि हम किस तरीके से कोर्स को कंडक्ट करवाते हैं, उसमें किन चीज़ों के ऊपर मेजर ध्यान दिया जाता है और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को सीखना कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Anyone who is interested in this course, आपको CISBC की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट का लिंक स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा. आप वहाँ पर जाकर इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स में एनरोल कर सकते हैं. Thank you so much for being with us. Share and subscribe Core Radio.